Once you have prepared a layout for printing and plotting, before you actually print or plot the drawing, you should make sure that the layout is set to the correct scale and will be printed to the correct device. To do this, right-click the Layout tab and choose Plot from the shortcut menu. This displays the Plot dialog box. You can also display this dialog by switching to the Output ribbon, and then in the Plot panel, click the Plot tool. In the Printer Plotter name field, you should make sure that the device selected is indeed the printer or plotter to which you want to print. If you followed the logical steps of creating and setting up a layout, this should already have been selected using the Page Setup Manager. But if you did not select the printer or plotter at that time, or if you see that this was set incorrectly, you can change it now. For the purposes of this lesson, this layout has been set to print to a PDF file using a driver that comes with AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT. You, however, want this to be set to the actual printer or plotter that you are going to use. You should also double-check to make sure that the paper size is also set correctly. But again, this is something that you should have done when using the Page Setup Manager when you first set up the layout. When plotting a paper space layout, the scale should always be set to 1:1. You can click Apply to Layout to save any changes you have made here in the Plot dialog box. Apply to Layout saves these changes in the page setup options for the layout, so you will not have to change them again the next time you print or plot this layout. Next, click the Preview button to view a preview of the output to make sure that the drawing will look correct on the sheet. And at this point, you can see that the layout looks pretty good. You can pan and zoom in this preview to check the output in more detail. Of course, this is just a preview, so you cannot edit anything from here. If you are satisfied, you can click the Plot button or right-click and choose Plot from the shortcut menu to actually send the drawing to the print device. Or, if you need to make changes, you can click the Close button or right-click and choose Exit to return to the Plot dialog. There may be times when you want to reposition the drawing slightly on the sheet before you actually send it to the printer. Perhaps when you placed the title block on the sheet, you did not get it positioned properly within the printable area. You can do this by adjusting the plot offset. In this case, move it down minus 0.25 units in the Y direction, and then click the Preview button. You can see that the image has shifted down in relation to the paper. Once everything is set the way you want, you can again save the changes to the layout so that you do not have to adjust them again the next time you print or plot this sheet. Then, when you are ready to print or plot, click OK. Remember that for the purpose of this lesson, the layout is configured to output to a PDF file. So when you click OK, the program prompts you for a file name. If you are printing to an actual printer or plotter, you probably will not see this. Instead, at this point, your drawing would begin printing or plotting.